Hey beauties, I'm Tiffany Lee at Beauty Stylist, and today I'm going to be swatching out the Viral Milk Makeup Jelly Tints. They are right here. I have 4 shades here, and we're going to go ahead and swatch it. I'm going to show you guys how to apply it. I've tried applying it directly on my skin, and you have to work so fast. So we're going to try a different way today, and it'll be my first time. So let's get to it. Here's the first shade, Spritz. Oops. All right, let's go in closer. Let's look at this. And it is very jelly. It feels like kind of like a gummy jelly, and I'm going to swatch it here for you guys. Okay, it's like wet, but it dries super quickly. Guys, it stains the fingers so quickly. Next, we're going to go in with Chill, and I'm going to open this up. It does have a cap in it. It popped off on the other one, and this is Chill. I'm going to swatch it here. Doesn't seem exciting when I swatch it, but man, the stain power is intense. Next I have Burst, and let's see what this looks like. Ooh, looks like a grape. We're gonna swatch it here. It's very beautiful. Also, just a note, when you open this, it may splatter and get your clothes stained. It stained my outfit last time, so try not to wear white if you want your white clothes to stay white, just FYI, because it's on the floor right now. Trying to figure out which one do I want to swatch. I'm wearing all black, so let's try the last one that I did right here. I'm going to try Splash. I'm going to use a brush this time. This is from BK Beauty. This is a 112 brush. We're going to just apply it. I'm going to dab it so that I can blend it at the same time. And this is working so much better than swiping it onto your face, because when you swipe it, you may get a streak, and this looks so much more natural. This looks better. I'm looking at the camera while I'm applying because I am just filming on the camera. Super subtle, you can build up as needed. I'll do that later. I'm gonna do it on this side. And this brush works so well because it's small, but it blends beautifully. It's like seamless. And it's so easy to use. Okay. A little bit more. Just kind of right around here. Give me a little bit more color. Do this side as well for a little balance. So I'm actually going to apply this on my lips. I'm actually going to apply this on my lips too, so it's very cooling. It dries so quickly. I'm going to wipe it off with a wipe. Okay, like a very nice monochromatic look. I'm going to put the cap back on so it doesn't dry out. All right, you know what? I'm going to layer this up. I'm going to actually try Chill, which is kind of more of that pinky tone. They're all very similar. So I'm going to try Chill, and we're going to layer this up. I'm going to use the same brush, and then I'm just going to give it a little bit more flush. It's kind of fun to layer up my blushes, so it just feels a little bit more fresh and awake. See that difference right here? And then right here. I feel like the side's a little bit more youthful. If I'm looking down, I'm actually looking at a mirror. I forgot that I had a mirror below. But yeah, more fresh. There's this side, which is fine. And then a little bit more fresh. I'm gonna do it on this side now. Have like a healthy, fresh glow, youthful flush. Okay, I'm digging that. Now I'm gonna apply this on the lips too, maybe a popsicle lip. What I mean by that, just on the inner. This off with my wipe. You can see that it's like a jelly. It's so crazy, so fun. Put the cap on, oops, bring it down. Put the cap on, and the lid and the cap. Feeling this, what do you guys think? I feel fresh, healthy, vibrant, and I mean, these are so fun. These are definitely, I understand why they're viral. I mean, I think it's gonna last you a long time because very little goes a long way. I don't know how it's gonna just kind of work its way down, but I'm obsessed. This is great to have in your bag and on the go because it's just so easy to use. You can use on your lips, your cheeks. I'm sure you can use on your eyes if you wanted to. But yeah, fresh, healthy glow. I didn't even put any glow on there. So it's just beautiful. I'm gonna also swatch I'm going to touch what I swatched. You guys can see, just literally stays put. I mean, my skin, I won't be afraid if someone kisses me or hugs me, my cheeks will stay. I won't be surprised if other brands will try to recreate something like this, but this is a one-of-a-kind cheek and lip tint, so check it out. I think you're gonna love it. The shades are very, very subtle, so you can build it up, have fun with it, and let me know if you tried it, what you guys think. I do think the brush application is probably the easiest and best way to apply it versus just applying it onto your finger or your face directly because it will stain so quickly, so you gotta work fast. All right, guys, have a beautiful day. I hope this was helpful, helped you see how this product works and how it looks on my skin and how you can just maximize the use of it. All right, love you guys.